Welcome to our video on the innovative Dyness BX51100 energy storage solution. This cutting-edge LFP battery module is designed for both residential and light commercial applications, offering unparalleled flexibility and performance for solar energy users. The Dyness BX51100 boasts an economic design, providing superior performance without high costs. It features remote monitoring through an optional app, allowing real-time system updates to keep your energy storage efficient and up-to-date. Installation is a breeze with the Dyness BX51100, offering wall-mounted, floor-standing, or stack options. Its scalability allows customization from 5.12 kWh to 153 kWh, ensuring you have the power you need by connecting up to 30 modules in parallel. Safety is paramount with the Dyness BX51100, utilizing advanced LiFePO4 technology for excellent thermal and chemical stability. Its wide compatibility with leading inverters makes it a versatile choice for off-grid and hybrid systems. Thank you for exploring the Dyness BX51100 with us. With its superior reliability, easy integration, and high safety standards, this energy storage solution is a step towards a sustainable and efficient future. Contact us to learn more or place your order.